The variation of wavelength lambda of the K alpha line with atomic number Z of the target is shown by the following curve. We know for K alpha line, frequency nu is directly proportional to Z minus 1 square. This implies wavelength lambda is directly proportional to 1 by Z minus 1 square. So that is the graph between lambda and Z is lambda is inversely proportional to 1 by Z square. So from the given curves, C curve represents the correct relation between the lambda and the Z, that is atomic number. So option C is the right answer.